Today we are going to talk about Automagical Notch, a tool designed to help you automate Gmail follow-ups and reminders so you never miss a message or opportunity. Many professionals, freelancers, and small business owners struggle to stay top of the emails, especially when clients or prospects do not reply promptly. Automagical Notch makes a email follow-ups automatic, helping you to save time and increase the responses without manual tracking. In this video, I will explain what Automagical Notch is, its key features, who it is useful for, and how the AppSumo lifetime deal work with this deal. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and explore the simple tools and practical software that help professionals, freelancers, and small businesses work smarter and stay organized. If this content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link in the description to explore Automagical Notch and any AppSumo offers. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or do anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, Automagical Notch is built to automate Gmail follow-ups and reminders. Instead of keeping a spreadsheet, sticky notes, or mental reminders about unanswered emails, the tool tracks your outgoing emails and automatically schedules follow-ups. This ensures that important conversations never slip through the cracks. One of the key features is automated follow-up reminders. You can set the rules so that if someone does not reply within a specific period, the system will automatically send reminder email. This saves time and ensures consistency in communication, which is important for closing deals or maintaining client relationships. Another important feature is personalization. Even though the follow-ups are automated, you can customize the message so it feels natural and not generic. This helps maintain a professional and friendly tone so recipients do not feel like they are receiving automated spam. Automagical Notch also provides tracking and notifications. You can see which emails have been read, which follow-ups are scheduled, and which conversions need attention. This helps you to prioritize your actions, ensures nothing gets missed. The tool is especially useful for freelancers and the sales teams, consultants, or small business owners who heavily rely on email communication. Instead of spending hours manually tracking replies and sending follow-ups, Automagical Notch takes care of the repetitive work, allowing you to focus on actual business tasks and strategy. Another feature that makes it valuable is reminder flexibility. You can define when and how follow-ups are sent, you can adjust the messaging, and you can pause the automation if needed. This gives you control while still saving time. Now let's talk about the AppSumo's lifetime deal about this tool. Automagical Notch is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, meaning you pay once and get the long-term access to the platform. This is useful for anyone who wants to automate the Gmail follow-ups without recurring subscription fees. The first AppSumo tier, which is $29, it is usually suitable for beginners or solo users. It allows the basic automation or follow-ups and reminders, which is enough if you need a moderate number of emails daily. The next tier gives you more flexibility. You can automate more emails, you can set multiple rules, and manage the larger volumes of conversations. This is ideal for freelancers, small teams, or growing businesses that rely heavily on email communication. The higher tier plan is designed for advanced users or larger teams. This plan supports more automation rules, higher email volume, and additional reporting options. If you manage multiple clients or large campaigns, these tiers provide more control and scalability. If you want to save time, stay organized, and increase the email response rates, checking the AppSumo deal through the description link can be very useful and smart option. You just pick the tier that matches your needs and offer will be applied automatically without any code or extra steps. So overall, Automagical Notch is practical and beginner-friendly tool for automating Gmail follow-ups and reminders. It helps reduce the manual tracking, ensures timely communication, and allows professionals to stay top of the important conversations efficiently. So that was the video about Automagical Notch and its lifetime deal. So I hope now you understand better, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with the people who need this, and Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. Subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.